My best friend stole my crush. So I dated her brother. We'd been best friends since the 5th grade. Tara and I were inseparable. At least, that's what I thought. We did everything together. Sleepovers, matching outfits, late-night gossip, and even planning our future weddings. But high school changed her. Or maybe she was always like that, or I didn't understand. His name was Ethan Carter. Tall, shy, played guitar, and read poetry in his notebook during lunch. He wasn't the popular guy, he was the quiet, mysterious type, and I was completely obsessed. I told Tara everything about him, what I liked about him, that I was going to ask him to prom, how I imagined to kissing him under the stars. Lot of more dreams. And she would giggle and say, "You should totally go for it." So I did. I worked up the courage for 2 weeks, practiced what I'd say in the mirror, picked out the perfect outfit, even rehearsed with my little sister. I would say all my dreams and I was ready, but as I walked toward him in the hallway, bouquet of notes in hand, I saw them, Tara and Ethan, kissing, right there in the hallway like it was no big deal. The world didn't crash, it just frozen everything for me. I felt heat in my face, but my body had like in ice. When she saw me, she didn't even look shame. "Sorry," she said with a shrug. "You never actually dated him, right?" I didn't scream. I didn't cry. Even I walked away. Later that night, I deleted all our pictures, our texts, and threw the matching BFF necklaces we bought at the mall into the trash. She didn't even try to apologize. Instead, she posted a photo with Ethan holding hands along with romantic caption. Finally, she dated with my soulmate, and over there I didn't eat for 2 days. But then, something happened that changed everything. Her older brother Jace had come home from college for spring break. Jace was gorgeous. Think tall, soccer captain build, curly brown hair. He'd always been friendly, polite, respectful, but far distant. That week, I saw him at the coffee shop I worked at. I thought about ignoring him, but he came up to me. "Hey, you good?" I paused. Then he said with a bitter smile again, "Are you okay?" He looked at me like he knew, like really knew me. I heard something. "What happened about Tara?" I laughed and said, "You're not wrong." Then he said something that flipped a switch in my mind. "Can I share with you?" "Yes, you can." "You know what? If you wanted to get back at her, dating her brother, probably mess her up more than anything else." He was joking, but I wasn't. I catch up this point. The relationship that started as revenge. I asked him to hang out. He said yes. At first, it was innocent, studying at the library, lunch at the campus cafe, a movie night at my place with my little sister pretending not to watch from the hallway. Then it turned real. He wasn't just good-looking. He was kind, thoughtful, and incredibly smart. He actually listened to me. He never talked over me, never made me feel small. We had inside jokes. He started sending me playlists, and when he kissed me for the first time in his car, I didn't feel guilt. I felt I wanted more. And yeah, Tara lost it. She found out when I posted a photo of Jace and me at a local carnival. We were holding cotton candy. He had his arm around me. The caption read, "Some things are worth the wait." She commented within 5 minutes, "You're sick. That's my brother." I replied, "And Ethan was my crush. I guess we're even now." Then she blocked me on everything. She started spreading rumors, said I seduced her brother to destroy her, told to people I was obsessed with her. But here's the thing, no one really liked Tara. They tolerated her because she was popular. But when people saw how nasty she could be, they took my side. After a month, Jace and I dated for 8 months. And yeah, it started out as revenge, but it turned into something real. He taught me what it felt like to be respected, to be chosen. Not just when it was convenient. As for Tara, she and Ethan broke up after 3 weeks. She tried to win him back, but he found out she had been texting another guy the whole time. She ended up alone, socially and emotionally. Even her closest friends distanced themselves. A year later, I was visiting Jace's family for a holiday dinner. Tara was there, awkward, quiet, tense. She pulled me aside. "I just want to say, I'm sorry." I looked at her. Really looked at her. She wasn't the girl who stole my crush anymore. She looked tired, lonely, so I nodded. "I appreciate that." Then I walked away, because closure doesn't always mean reconciliation. Sometimes revenge feels good, but healing feels better. I didn't win because I dated her brother. I won because I stopped needing people who didn't value me and found someone who did my respect.